Hello, guys. So I have just met a friend of mine here, and I want to benefit from this opportunity. So he's gonna talk about his experience, or he's gonna share his experience with us learning the language. And his name is Sufyan. Hello, Sufyan.
Oh, hey everyone, how you doing?
How are you doing?
I'm
Is
good, thank
everything
you
all
so
right?
much. I hope
Good.
everyone's doing great.
Perfect. Nice. Perfect. So I just told them that you're gonna share with us your experience learning the language, and yeah.
Yes, everyone's excited. Sure. First of all, in my case, it's quite different because I have learned English, ever since the first grade, but then it kept going. But of course, I was never able to, speak it, fluently as I do now. Actually, it starts only a few years ago. It was mostly about, constant exposure to the language. You expose yourself to it every day, you read it every day. I mean, mostly it was movies with me, music. I listen to a lot of music, to a lot of movies, also music with lyrics as well. I used to read what was written and then try to understand it. It's mostly consistency. That's what it did. I know everyone, well, not everyone, but some people wants to, get like a simple trick or like some sort of like a secret thing, to, learn the language faster. But there is no such thing, to be honest.
No secret thing.
Exactly. It's just about consistency. It's about, you can just get a book and some people get improve their English by reading books, it actually does help. I mean, for me, it was different, but everyone's journey to learn English is different, obviously. So just embrace yours, do what you can, consistency. If you need any help, a friend, the teacher is always here
Yeah.
for help.
Thank you.
Uh, you know, uh,
What
it's
do you think from your experience? How much time needed to like master the language or just to be fluent?
I mean, for me, it took years. I'm gonna be honest, but
Years.
but for most of you out there, who wants 1 hour a day, it should be more than enough to learn English less than 3 months or 6 months because English is very, very, very simple
So
language.
6 months, what? 1 hour a day.
Exactly. Yeah. I
Okay.
mean, that's my suggestion. Of course, I'm no expert, but for me, I think that could work. English is not like other
How
languages.
much time it took for you to master the language, to be fluent like this?
Honestly, I have no idea. I just woke up in the morning and realized I can speak English.
Okay.
That's all. That's how it went. That's how it happened.
Suddenly I speak English.
Exactly. I just woke up. Oh wait, I can speak English. That's amazing.
Perfect. Nice.
But I think for you guys, it should be much easier. Consistency and work every day.
I think
And
love
practice.
also.
Exactly, and practice as well. Always practice. If you can have like someone you can speak English with, that definitely would be a plus. Not a necessity, but a plus. I
What
would say.
about beginners? For beginners, like from zero?
Oh, that's gonna take some hard work. Okay, you can have to work a little bit hard. Try to
Like
remember.
first steps, like alphabets or words or sentences.
Well, there is this trick I learned is, sometimes this is a mistake often, rookies make, when they learn English is that, they go trico, like this, and then they go, oh, what's the English word for it? Oh, it's shirt. No, don't do that. Okay, just try to remember for what it is. This is a shirt, right? This is a hoodie. All right, so just try to remember for this.
English, English, English. Yes.
Exactly. Just try to remember for exactly what it is. Remember that, memorize it, and just keep going. All right. Don't
Surrounded
remove
by like.
exactly. Remove the translation. That way, it can be much easier to remember stuff.
Perfect. Nice.
That's all I can recommend for now.
Thank you for your time. Yes. And thank you guys. See you next video.